Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's fast-paced job market, equipping yourself with the right skills is very important. So I have explored the top 10 courses that can launch you into high-paying job sectors. I will discuss the content, relevance and potential each course offers, ensuring you make an informed decision. Coming to the very first course, Complete Introduction to Business Data Analysis. So, if you want to learn simple, effective techniques to create impactful Excel dashboards and data analysis, this course is ideal. So, here you can see on the Udemy, this course is available, and from this course, you can learn step-by-step lessons from a best-selling Udemy instructor in full HD. Also, you can transform data into insight and intelligence using powerful methods of analysis techniques and tools. You can learn the data analysis using easy to master drag and drop techniques, no confusing formulas, macros or VBA. You can learn 8 different techniques for data analysis that can be easily implemented in Excel. You can access the lifetime access to course materials and practice activities from best-selling Udemy instructor. You can learn to ask the right question of your data using comparison train, ranking, variance, Pareto and many other techniques. You can learn the best practices for data analysis and data presentation. You can learn the best practices for the design and setup for interactive dashboards. So here you can see this course is of 3.5 hours. It consists of 12 articles and you can access this course from your mobile also. And after completion of this course, you can earn the certification. So this course consists of 13 sections. There will be 53 lectures and the overall time duration is 3 hours 40 minutes. So it is the paid course. So here you can see there are so many students who have already completed this course and the rating of the course is 4.6. So this is my first recommendation. It is paid course but it will benefit you a lot in your career. So you can available this course on the Udemy. Now coming to the second course, Complete Web and Mobile Designer in 2023. So here you can see on the Udemy platform this course is available. It is also the paid course and the overall rating of the course is 4.5. And you can see over here there are so many students who have already completed this course. So from this course you can build beautifully designed web and mobile projects for your customers using modern tools used by top companies in 2023. You can get hired as a designer or become a freelancer that can work from anywhere and for anyone. Designers are high in demand. You can include 100 plus assets and premium design templates that you can keep and use to customize for all your future projects. You can also master Figma for your design needs, then learn to convert your designs into a live HTML and CSS website. Have an amazing design portfolio customized and professionally completed by the end of the course. You can master both web and mobile design principles and how to go from sketching to fully fledged high fidelity designs that will wow customers. You can learn to design for all types of devices using Figma and other tools used by some of the top designers in the world. You can learn the HTML5 and CSS3 to make your designs come to life and create fully working websites. Learn the best practices that takes years to learn in the design industry. You can also learn to make professional logos and design choices for all branding needs. You can learn the UI UX best practices using the latest trends in the industry, and you can also learn to be a designer as well as web developer at the same time. So this course is of 27.5 hours. There will be 65 articles in this course. You can complete this course from your mobile also, and after completion of this course you can earn a certificate. Once you have completed this course, you have the access of this course in your lifetime. So here you can see there will be 32 sections. Overall there will be 352 lectures and the length of the course is 28 hours 14 minutes. So this is available on the Udemy, one of the paid course and one of the best course. This is my second recommendation. Now coming to the third course, Software Development from A to Z. So it is an informative course that provides you insights into the software development industry. If you are interested in learning about software development, then you should definitely consider this course. It covers topics such as object-oriented programming, UML, AGLI, Scrum and Python. You will learn about of these things from a developer with decades of experience in this field. Whether you are just starting with your career or wanting to learn more about what goes on behind the scenes at companies like Google and Apple, this course is definitely worth checking out. So with this course you will learn how to become a software developer. You can discover how professional software products are developed. You can organize and optimize your work using AGLI, Scrum and Kanban. Then you can get started with Python and write your first program. You can study computer science fundamentals like data structures and algorithms. You can get insights into daily activities of a professional software developer, and you can use UML to communicate effectively with other developers. You can learn about the various career paths in software development, and you can get a companion ebook for free. So this course is of 5.5 hours. So overall there will be 6 articles. On the Udemy you can see this course. This is an paid course. So there will be overall 19 sections, 105 lectures, and the overall length is 5 hours 41 minutes. So this is my third recommendation. So the overall rating of this course is 4.6, and here on the Udemy you can see there are so many students who have already enrolled for this course. Now coming to the fourth course, Complete Web Development Bootcamp course. So if you want to learn to code and become a full stack web developer, then you should definitely consider this course. So this course is also the paid course. It is available on the Udemy. So here you can see you can build 16 web development projects for your portfolio ready to apply for junior developer jobs. You can learn the latest technologies including JavaScript, React, Node and even Web3 development. After the course, you will be able to build any website you want. You can build fully fledged website and web apps for your startups or business, and you can work as a freelance web developer. You can master front-end development with React, and you can master back-end development with Node. Learn professional developer best practices. So this course is of 62.5 hours. So here on the Udemy you can check there are overall 70 articles in this course. So this course is also the one of the best course that you can have a look on. So you can see there are so many candidates who have already done with this course, and the overall rating of this course is 4.7. So this is my fourth recommendation. Now coming to the fifth course is PMP Certification Exam Preparation course. So if you are looking to grow yourself in any company, or if you are looking to move up the corporate ladder in any company, then this is the one course you can consider with. This course will cover all the topics needed to pass your PMP exam on the first try. This course includes coverage of traditional and hybrid projects. This course is taught by instructor and PMP author. So you can have a look on this course. This is also one of the paid course which is available on the Udemy. So from this course you can learn overall 35 hours of courses over there, and of project management education training you can learn over here. So students will learn to pass the PMP certification exam on the first try, and also you can learn the all AVM communication, estimating formulas, exam tips and tricks, introduction to AGLI project management, and 400 plus exam like questions. So overall 35 hours are over there, and one article is mentioned in the course. So the course contains of 19 sections, and overall there will be the 359 lectures. So you will require 35 hours 3 minutes to complete this course. So this is also one of the best course you can have a look on. There are so many candidates who have already registered for the course, and the overall rating of the course is 4.7. So this is my fifth recommendation. Now coming to the sixth course is the Complete Financial Analyst course. So this course is also one of the paid course. The overall rating of the course is 4.6. There are so many candidates who have already completed this course, and this course is available on the Udemy. So from this course you can learn how to work comfortably with Microsoft Excel, how to format spreadsheets professionally, how to perform routine tasks quicker, create professional charts in Microsoft Excel, efficiently work with vast amounts of data, understand accounting and bookkeeping principles, build a company profit and loss from scratch, then create a company's balance sheet, then perform financial statements analysis. So here you can check the list. There are so many things that you can learn from this course. So the content of this course will consist of 50 sections and there will be 344 lectures, and you will require 20 hours 28 minutes to complete this course. So you can have a look on this course. This course is also available on the Udemy. The link I am sharing in the description box. Do check with that. Now coming to the next course, that is Content Marketing and Masterclass. So this course is the paid course available on the Udemy. So from this course you can learn how to increase your sales, traffic and brand recognition using the power of digital content. You can grow a business from scratch or build upon your existing strategy. You can understand the cognitive buying journey and how your content can inspire people to take action. You can optimize your website for content marketing and drive profitable user action, and you can develop a system for consistently generating new content ideas. So this course will consist of 14 sections. Overall there will be 95 lectures and the time duration required for this course is 3 hours 46 minutes. So here on the Udemy you can check this course. Now coming to the 8th course is the Complete Digital Marketing Guide. So this course is also one of the paid course which is available on the Udemy. So from this course you can learn to build a digital marketing strategy. You can master ChatGPT with prompt engineering. You can find your online audience. You can create a website in 24 hours and can drive a targeted traffic. You can build an email list. You can analyze website data, create converting Google ads, create converting Facebook ads, create a content strategy plan, you can build a community, and you can organic Facebook marketing. So this course will consist of 29 sections. Overall there will be 577 lectures and the time required to complete this course will be 75 hours 5 minutes. So here on the Udemy you can check this course. The rating of this course is 4.6 and there are so many students who have already enrolled for this course. Now coming to the 9th course is Artificial Intelligence A to Z 2023. So you can build an artificial intelligence with ChatGPT. So from this course you can learn how to build an artificial intelligence. You can understand the theory behind the artificial intelligence. You can make a virtual self-driving car, make an artificial intelligence to beat games, then you can solve real-world problems with artificial intelligence. You can master the state-of-art artificial intelligence models, then Q-learning, deep Q-learning, deep convolutional Q-learning and A3C. So the course will consist of 22 sections. There will be overall 127 lectures and the time required to complete this course will be 17 hours 17 minutes. So here on the Udemy you can check this course is available. The overall rating of this course is 4.3 and there are so many students who have already enrolled for this course. Now coming to the 10th course is Cyber Security from Beginner to Expert Level. So from this course you can learn the security governance, network security, cyber attacks, web application security, malware. You can practical cyber security skills through hands-on labs. You can prepare for cyber security interviews by learning common interview questions and how to respond. You can prepare for in-demand cyber security certifications such as CompTIA Security and CEH. So this course will consist of 7 sections. Overall there will be 47 lectures and the time required to complete this course will be 6 hours 43 minutes. So here on the Udemy you can see this course is available. There are so many students who have already completed this course and the overall rating of this course is 4.6. So these are the top 10 courses I would highly recommend to you guys. The link of all the courses I am sharing in the description box. If you have any doubts, any questions related to this, then you can let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching the video. Do like the video and subscribe the channel.